water or something.
So, go get some milk, put it in there.
Ooh, she's thick. Now what?
Now what do you want to add? It's GODZILLA with you once again. I hope you guys enjoyed a little recipe for the vegan Godzilla cake that I made, and I want to give a big shout out to OKDit for helping me to make that cake. I will leave the link to her channel below, and I'll also leave a link to a converter for those of you who need milliliters converted to grams. But yeah, just a fun little recipe, and I want to say that the cake turned out very delicious. I thought it was pretty good. It was actually really good. No, seriously, it's pretty good. I mean, it depends. You can change it though. If you don't like the frosting, if you don't like to use yogurt, you could probably use a cream or something for that. It depends on your taste. Obviously, you can also make this non-vegan like a normal traditional cake, but that's up to you. I'm not gonna push anybody to do anything. This is just the recipe and I'm presenting it as such. Anyway, I just wanna do this all just to thank you guys for 10K subscribers. Pretty crazy, I never thought I'd reach this point. So here we are, 10,000 plus. And I also want to celebrate because it's been, I think I'm past this point, but it's been like 10 years of me posting videos on YouTube. In 2008 is when I started regularly posting. So it's 10 years of GODZILLA 4, 10,000 subscribers. So this is to you guys. And so thank you all very much. I hope you guys stay with me on this journey as I go on to bigger milestones. I know 10,000 isn't the biggest one, but I think it was one still worth celebrating. So once again, thank you all so much. Like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. And I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye. Okay, dude.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, that's fine. Okay, good. Make sure. You don't want. No, I just say okay, dude.
No, it's my online name.
Okay.